The Icemage HS-22 ice maker is designed to quickly produce refreshing ice for all your needs. For your convenience, we recommend you to check the price in the description below. Whether you're hosting a party, having a casual get-together, or camping, this machine provides both small and large ice cubes, ensuring your drinks stay perfectly chilled. With a high production capacity of up to 38 pounds of ice daily, you won't have to worry about running out of ice during your gatherings. This countertop ice maker features an efficient 170W compressor, capable of making 9 ice cubes per cycle, with small cubes produced in just 3.5 minutes and large cubes in 5 minutes. Not only is it fast, but it's also quiet, operating at a mere 45 dB, making it unobtrusive even in quieter spaces. The self-cleaning feature allows for easy maintenance, ensuring the machine stays hygienic and ready for the next use with a simple touch of a button. Its sleek, compact design makes it easy to fit on countertops, and it's perfect for kitchens, RVs, or even outdoor spaces like patios. Whether you're hosting a party or just need a cold drink, the Icemage HS-22 is your go-to ice maker for convenience, speed, and versatility. You'll love the flexibility to choose between small or large ice cubes based on your preference. No more waiting for hours for ice to freeze in traditional trays, this machine has you covered. It's a great addition for anyone who needs ice on demand, making it perfect for both everyday use and special occasions. Plus, with its user-friendly interface, you can operate it effortlessly, making ice making a hassle-free task. Enjoy quick, quiet, and consistent ice production at your convenience.